Hey everyone, welcome back to How To with Sunny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube lagging or stuttering in Google Chrome. So, if YouTube videos are freezing, dropping frames, or not playing smoothly, there's a simple Chrome setting you can try changing. First, open Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. Once Chrome Settings opens, look at the menu on the left and click System. Here, find the option called Use Graphics Acceleration when available. If this option is currently turned on, click the switch to turn it off. Chrome will then show a relaunch button. Click Relaunch. Google Chrome will close and reopen automatically. Now go back to YouTube and play the video that was lagging or stuttering. Check whether the playback is now smoother. If disabling graphics acceleration doesn't help, you can return to the same setting and turn it back on, because the best option can depend on your computer and graphics hardware. You can also try restarting Chrome or your computer after changing the setting. And that's how to fix YouTube lagging and stuttering in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to How To with Sunny for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.